Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the service light on your Volvo V90. This is a common task that you can easily do yourself without needing a trip to the dealership or any specialized equipment. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you can quickly get rid of that persistent service message on your dashboard. Let's get started and make that light disappear for good. First, get into your Volvo V90 and turn the ignition to position 2, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the trip odometer reset button, usually found on the instrument cluster. Press and hold this button firmly. Keep holding it down, and after a few seconds, you'll notice the service light on your dashboard will start to flash. This indicates you're on the right track for the reset process. Once the service light begins to flash rapidly, continue holding the trip odometer button for a few more seconds. It's crucial to release the button within 4 seconds of this rapid flashing to successfully complete the reset. After releasing, turn the ignition completely off. This action saves the new setting, clearing the service light. You can then restart your car to confirm the light is gone. After completing the steps, start your Volvo V90 to verify that the service light has been successfully reset and is no longer illuminated. If for any reason the light reappears, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. It sometimes takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.